Let's make Sriracha Firecracker Snackers. They're so good and they're addicting and they're just so simple to make. So I've preheated my oven to 375 and the ingredients you'll need are 2 packages of oyster crackers, some butter. Let's see, we have honey. That's a big honey. We don't need that much. Sriracha for the heat. Some Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, basil and oregano, and did I say olive oil? If I didn't, olive oil. That's it. And then I'm going to cover 2 baking sheets with aluminum foil, and let's see what happens next. First up, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of olive oil to a microwave safe bowl or dish. Happens to be, of course, a glass Pyrex. Then 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay. I'm going to heat this in the microwave. Not to boiling, just heat it up. Okay, here it is. The butter's been melted. It's warm, but not hot. So then a tablespoon or to taste of Sriracha. Helps if you open it. There we go. You can go more or less. Okay. 2.5 tablespoons of honey. That's what gives this the nice sweet and spicy. There we go. One teaspoon of dried basil, approximately. I like to crunch it, release some of the oils and the dried herbs. And then 1 teaspoon of oregano. Crunch it again. Give it a good whisk. Okay. About 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, approximately. Okay, now put your crackers, your oyster crackers, in an extra large bowl. And now pour over the butter, olive oil, and Sriracha mixture. Looks good already. Get every last drop. Give them a good toss. You want every cracker coated with that mixture. Oh, it smells good already, and it haven't even been baked. Now we'll add the Parmesan cheese. About 1/4 cup, but I'm going to use what's left in this bag, which is a little bit more than that. I'm going to say it's 1/2 cup because why not? And again, give it a good toss. Evenly coat all of those crackers. I also sprayed my baking sheet with nonstick olive oil spray. So I'm going to put 1/2 of the crackers on one baking sheet and 1/2 on the other one. Spread them out evenly. Get all of them off the bottom of the bowl. These ones will be a little spicier than the first batch. That's okay, they're all going to be mixed together. So there we have it. Now they're going in the oven. Okay, I took them out at the 375 oven after about 5 minutes. I'm going to give them a nice stir and then put them back in for another couple of minutes. I'm going to do this with both trays. And I'm going to rotate them. This one was in the middle rack. Now I'm going to put this one on the top rack and vice versa. They smell really good. I wish you guys could smell them. But you will when you make them at home. Yum. Okay, they're done. Ooh. Gonna wait for them to cool off a little bit, of course, and then package them up. Taking them out today for a summer celebration. And I think I'll transport them in either a large Ziploc bag or a brown bag, a large brown bag, to keep them nice and crisp. Yum. I think you guys are really gonna like this recipe. They're sweet with some heat, so they pack a nice little punch. There you go. Sriracha Firecracker Snackers. Yum. For the full recipe, visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.